Hi, I'm Jeanine Corcoran, broker for the Corcoran Connection, and welcome to Ashley Park, located in the small town of Harmony, Florida. This 4-bedroom corner townhome is within walking distance to Harmony's Town Square and our unique tunnel that connects the Harmony's newest middle school and Harmony High School. Come on in and take a look. One of the main features you'll notice when you walk in is the ceramic flooring that flows through the main living space. I love all of the natural light that comes through the windows, something only offered on a corner unit. Lots of space in this kitchen, which is great for entertaining. I love the way the granite countertops and island shines. Even the little extras like the hanging pot rack give this kitchen such a welcoming feel. The master suite is located on the main floor, featuring an ensuite that connects to an oversized walk-in closet. Upon entering the upstairs, you'll find a large loft big enough for a game room, entertainment area, or as it is currently being used as a private office. Enjoy the scenic views of the field and Market Square from your window while you work. The remaining 3 bedrooms and full bathroom are upstairs, as well as the laundry room. Thanks so much for visiting our listing, and for other great listings in the Harmony, St. Cloud, Lake Nona, and Arcousie area, please call us at 407-953-9118 or find us online at thecorcoranconnection.com.